Hello everybody, how are you? I am Jeff and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is: the vast majority of classification can be contributed to four factors: A option vehicle, make and model, vehicle design and range, and driver's behavior. B option vehicle equipment, failure, roadway design, road environment, and driver's behavior. C option vehicles age, roadway design and road environment, and driver's experience. D option vehicle make and model, vehicle design, wideness of the road, and other driver's behavior. The correct answer of the question is B option: vehicle equipment, failure, road design, and road environment, and driver's behavior. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.